Hey there tech fans, Rick here again with a quick review of the DJI Mic 2 wireless kit. This product is brand new from DJI, and in today's video, I'll give you 5 things to keep in mind when you're comparing this particular wireless microphone kit with other products you may be considering, and more importantly, why those 5 things are important. So let's start off with the basic kit. I have the full kit here in front of me, which includes the pouch, 2 of the muffs that actually fit on there for wind resistance, the charging case, 2 transmitters, and a single receiver. So inside there, you'll see the 2 transmitters and the receiver, as well as the adapters for both an Android and an Apple product. Now, this product itself is completely self-contained, which means that both of the transmitters come paired to the receiver. When you open it up, you can basically connect that to whatever device you want to record audio on, snap the transmitter on your shirt, and just start recording. The first thing I want to point out is how long you can use the unit. So each of these individually will give you about 6 hours of use on a full charge, and you can drop them back into the charging case and it will recharge them up to 3 times. So a total of 18 hours of use if you're using the charging case, because the base of the charging case has a battery in it that will charge all the devices when you drop it back in the case. So 6 hours of use is an awful long time to use a wireless microphone kit like this, and that just gives you plenty of time to get out there and record the audio you need to record. And the cool thing for me is both of these transmitters are picked up by the same receiver, so it allows me to do a one-on-one kind of a vlog situation with me and a camera, or 2 people talking at the same time and have that audio blended into a single audio stream that makes it incredibly easy for me to edit it later on. All right, the next thing I want to talk about is the connection distance. Now, you may be wondering, why do I care about the connection distance? If I'm using a wireless microphone, I'm typically right in front of the camera. It doesn't do me any good to record me 200 feet away from the camera because you can't even see me. But the important thing about that recording distance is that it's an incredibly strong signal. So this product provides up to 250 meters of distance between the transmitter and the receiver. And again, the reason that's important is because if you're in close, there's a lot of other noise in the area as far as digital signals go, and you never want to lose the connection to your receiver because you've got dropouts in your audio. So knowing I've got a signal that allows me to walk up to 250 meters away from the receiver means I'm going to have a rock solid signal in close, and I'm going to get crystal clear audio. Another big difference between this kit and a lot of other kits on the market is that the unit itself will transmit audio between the microphone, the transmitter, and the receiver, and you can record that on whatever device it's connected to. But the transmitters also have 8 gigabytes of internal memory, and you can record up to 14 hours on the transmitter without even connecting to anything. So this is basically a small portable audio recorder that I can take with me anywhere, hit the record button, and just start talking. And I've got the audio track recorded on the internal memory. When I'm done for the day, I come home, plug it into my computer, transfer the audio file over, and it's crystal clear because I've got it right on the microphone. Another benefit of that is you can simultaneously broadcast to the receiver and record a backup track on the microphone. So now I've got the safety track on the microphone as well as the main track that's recorded on the device that I'm broadcasting to, and that can be invaluable. I've gone to so many conferences where I've interviewed people and I've used a wireless microphone setup, and for some reason the audio cut out and I couldn't use that clip. Now I've got a backup copy of it right here in the transmitter that I can use in case that primary copy fails. That's absolutely amazing. The next thing I want to talk about is connectivity, because this is where this system really shines. Most wireless microphone setups on the market today may have a connection for Android, they may have a connection for Apple, they may have a 3.5mm connection you can hook up to a DSLR camera or your laptop, but you have to kind of choose between those. There aren't many kits on the market that do all those things at the same time. This kit does, because on the receiver, you've got a connection on the back right here that you can slide adapters into, both Apple and Android, that adapt this to an Android phone, Android tablet, a USB-C connection on your laptop, or if you've got an Apple product, maybe an iPad or an iPhone, you slide the Apple adapter on and plug it in there. It also has a 3.5mm port on the side where I can plug a cable between here and my DSLR camera. It even has a headphone connection on there, so if I'm recording somebody in an interview, I can be wearing headphones and actually hear the audio that's being broadcast to the receiver in case I need to make adjustments to it. But the secret feature that changes everything with this unit is it also allows you to bind it over Bluetooth to any device that has a Bluetooth connection. So think about that for a second. I can use this directly with my phone, my Apple phone, my Android phone, my tablet, my computer, pretty much anything that can connect over Bluetooth, I can sync it up over Bluetooth. So there isn't a connection I need that I can't facilitate with this particular kit. I think that's absolutely amazing. Another thing I didn't really talk much about is the fact that the unit itself is incredibly easy to use. It's basically goof-proof, where you pull it out of the case, connect it up to your camera, and you can immediately start broadcasting audio. And I think that's absolutely amazing because so many of these kits, when you open them up, maybe they broke the binding between the microphone and the receiver and you got to rebind them. You got to pick a channel to use. They're complicated to actually put into practice. With this one, you can connect directly up, open up the case and it just starts recording. Another thing I wanted to mention about that Bluetooth connection, if you're using other products from DJI, let's say for example the Action 4 or the Pocket 3, you can Bluetooth connect directly to those products as well. So what that means is I now have the ability to use my action camera completely enclosed in that waterproof case with a wireless microphone. Same thing with the Osmo Pocket 3. I can directly broadcast from one of these transmitters into the audio section of that Osmo Pocket 3. I don't need to connect up an external microphone. And the other cool thing about it is that the connection between those two over Bluetooth is incredibly rock solid. So you're going to get great audio on both of those products just by connecting directly from this product to them. So I think DJI has really thought through what we want to do with a wireless microphone kit, and they've built in all the features that I care about. Matter of fact, I'd be hard pressed to think of one thing that I'd like this kit to do that it doesn't do already. So good luck, DJI, coming out with your DJI Mic 3. I can't even imagine what you're going to put in there. But for me, the kit is really a powerful tool. If you're doing any kind of vlogging, YouTube clips, TikTok videos, whatever you're doing, you're going to want good audio. This kit provides that. And I just think it's a wonderful product. Now, the other nice thing that DJI did, and I almost mentioned this in the beginning, or forgot to mention it, is the fact that I have the full kit here. You can also buy this in different configurations. So for example, you can pick up just the microphone. Maybe you've got an Osmo Pocket 3 or you've got an Action 4. Just pick up the mic and you can actually talk to that product. If you don't have that or you want to talk to your camera, just pick up a mic and a transmitter. You can get a single mic and a transmitter. They offer this in 2 colors as well. They offer it in black and white. So if you like a white color tone, just get the white one. You can use that. So I love the fact that they give you a lot of choice in how you acquire the product, how you use the product, what you're connecting the product to. Everything is just well thought out. And they put it in this beautiful metal case that's incredibly protective, that recharges all the products. I'm telling you, they thought of everything. So hopefully you found this review helpful. You can tell I'm jazzed about this product because I do a lot of outdoor recording. I do a lot of vacation photos and videos. And having a product like this that just works out of the case makes things a whole lot easier. So thanks an awful lot for watching. And again, until next time, as always, stay nerdy.